Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Bathroom backsplashes stop water from ruining your wall space in the same method in which kitchen backsplashes shield wall space from cooking splatters and spills. But these hard-working finishes offer a chance to show a little style flair and play with textures, materials, patterns, and color. Look at these trendy designer strategies for bathroom backsplashes, which are as fashionable as they're purposeful. We hope these bathroom backsplash ideas will inspire you to get going with that dream bathroom renovation. A bathroom backsplash is more than just a standard contrivance of cleanliness, but a chance to upgrade your bathroom in a subtle fashion that is just as impossible to ignore. Elegant and understated, but equally capable of drawing attention in an instant, perhaps it's time to take a look at the space above your bathroom sink? You may find yourself amazed at the style flourish begging to be made. This is Nahar from Decor Shows again. Thanks for watching. So what do you think? Do you want to give one of these designs a try in your own bathroom? If so, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got lots more videos coming to your way soon. Bye.